Hey, what's up guys? I'm Jacob Kaufman, I'm the Nerd of the Street, and today we are taking a look at portableapps.com. Now, I myself got a SanDisk Cruiser a few years ago, and when I got this I thought it was really cool, because this was back when Windows XP was on every computer in the world, and I could plug this Cruiser in, and there's a little launch pad on this flash drive that lets me launch portable apps. And this is not what we're looking at today, but this is sort of the same idea. That this immediately reminded me of the Cruiser software, where there's, like I said, a custom launcher and a custom little place to install apps onto your Cruiser, and that was something that SanDisk marketed on their Cruiser product line. I know it's a flash drive, but I thought it was really cool at the time. I thought it was like way cool. This doesn't really work very well anymore because autoplay was only enabled for Windows XP. As soon as Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 came around, it doesn't really work automatically. You have to go and open up the program on the flash drive to launch the Launchpad on the Cruiser. So this is not really anything special anymore. You can still use the portable apps, but it's not really special anymore. It's not anything new and exciting. It's been around for a while. Portableapps.com, though, is something kind of new to me, at least, and you can basically do the same thing that SanDisk did with their Cruiser line, but with any flash drive that you want. You can put a custom launcher and have a little app store type deal where you can download and install portable apps on your flash drive. And in case you haven't picked it up by now, portable apps, like I can plug it into one computer and, you know, use the program, eject it, unplug it, plug it into another computer. It'll be exactly the same. Now, you can already do that with files, obviously, on flash drives. You can save a Word document and open up the Word document on another computer. The difference is when you have a portable apps, instead of saving a document to your flash drive, you're saving Microsoft Word, the program, to your flash drive. Or actually, you're not, because there's not actually a portable version of Word available that Microsoft puts out. But you can install programs to your flash drive is the point. Not just files, but the entire program required to view the file. So, you know, some computers don't have Office. If you've got a portable version of OpenOffice on your flash drive, then you'll be able to plug into any computer, and you'll know that you'll be able to use your version of Office. You won't have to worry about what version the computer has, or if it has it or not, because the entire program, once again, is on your flash drive. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and take a look at it right now. It looks pretty interesting. So yeah, cut into the desktop. Alrighty, and here we are. So this is portableapps.com, and that's literally the web address, portableapps.com. So yeah, I had a friend introduce me to this website recently, and I'm going to try it out right now. As you can see, it looks like it's not just portable programs, it's an actual launcher that you can put on your flash drive. So what we're going to do is we're going to click download now. As you can see, they do have an option to buy it on an actual flash drive pre-installed for you. Wait. Oh, encrypted, starting at $95. I was like, that's really expensive for a flash drive. But that's if you want your stuff encrypted, but you can do that by yourself if you know how. We're going to download it, though. They do have this on SourceForge. As you can see, it's 3.2 megabytes is the exe file. That's the setup, though. That's not the actual portable app itself. My Chrome does this thing where it sits there at 0 seconds left for a while. I don't know if that's something everyone has or if it's just me. Now, you'll notice Windows 8 compatible, Windows 7 compatible, Windows Vista compatible. As you can see, compatible with Apple and Linux over crossover or Wine. That means it's actually not compatible with Mac OS or Linux, which is to be expected. You know, my Cruiser drive only works on Windows. Programs can only be written for one platform at a time. Obviously, if you write it for a multi-platform programming language, then it's multi-platform. But yeah, the programs are not written on Java or anything like that. They are just the programs running their actual custom portable versions made for Windows. So yeah, it says you can use Wine and stuff. You can do that with any Windows program, theoretically. It works not a whole lot for me. Some people say it works all the time, but you know, you can try Wine if you want. The point is, though, if you use Macs or Linux on a day-to-day basis, you probably do not want to be using this system. But if you use Windows on a daily basis, which is fine, then yeah, you might like this. So I'm going to go ahead and drag that to my desktop. And I actually don't have a flash drive right now that I can test this with, so I am just going to go ahead and do this on my desktop, but I believe it'll set up a folder for us, and if you just copy the folder to your flash drive, then you should be able to do everything on multiple computers. So as you can see, this is an installer that you must run before you'll get the actual launcher. We've got English, alright, I agree, destination folder. Alright, so this is important. So we're going to click Browse. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a new folder on my desktop called USB. We're going to pretend that's a USB flash drive. But if you want to, you can put this folder on a USB flash drive, and you'll be able to unplug your USB drive from this computer, plug it into another Windows computer, and have it go. Now, I actually don't have any other Windows computers in the house right now, at least not any other ones that are actually working well. So yeah, I'm just going to do it on my desktop. But like I said, if you were to put this folder on your flash drive, it would work, no matter what computer you plug the flash drive into, and that is a major selling point of portableapps.com. So we will click Install now that we've selected there. As you can see, folder is filling up with files. Guys, you can watch in full screen if you need to zoom in here. I know people have asked me to decrease my screen resolution in the past for screencasting. My monitor actually does not physically allow me to do that. I've got a cheaper Korean model, not an actual real brand name monitor, so yeah, I cannot downscale my resolution, so sorry about that. But as you can see, launch portableapps.com platform. We're going to uncheck that because I want to see what you do. It looks like in the folder we've just got start.exe, and then we've also got an auto run. So it looks like it's set up to where if you plug this into a Windows XP computer, if you put this folder on a flash drive, plug it into a Windows XP computer, then if you just put these files onto a flash drive and do that, then it will auto run on a Windows XP computer. But we've got start.exe. And as you can see, it had a little thing in the bottom right corner there for just a moment. It had a menu, but now it's portable app directory, checking for apps. So we've got two files in the quote-unquote flash drive right now. We've got a documents folder, and that is, I guess, where you keep all your stuff. So, like the Cruiser had that too. If you actually just want to keep files, you can probably keep them in the root directory here, but if you want to keep things a little more organized, you can put stuff in your Documents folder. Also, we've got the Portable Apps folder, which is the folder that your programs will be stored in. You probably don't want to mess with that. So, as you can see, Portable App Directory, this is important. We've got a huge list. This is probably more than the Neat offers, a really big list of programs you can install, and these are all portable programs, so these will all work no matter what computer you plug your flash drive into. So yeah, as you can see, once you get done selecting everything, then you can see how much space it takes to download, how much space it takes to actually store on your flash drive or whatever. But we'll click Next since we're done, and now it's going to download all the programs that we put, as you can see, going through everything. Alright, so we just accepted that license agreement. Now we are going through installing the apps that we just downloaded. The license agreement was for Google Chrome, so that was the only thing that actually needed an agreement. So yeah, great job, Google. So there's another license agreement for Skype. Alright, your new portable apps have been installed and are now available in the portableapps.com menu. And notice they do brand themselves as portableapps.com. So yeah, now, not sure why it minimized earlier, probably because the installation thing came up, but if my Skype notification goes away there, there we go. As you can see, the portableapps.com launcher was minimized, and we can just click it to open it again there. In case that goes away though, if that were to go away, we could click the little thing in the notification bar that will also bring it up. As you can see, it says Drive C, 604 megabytes free of 30 gigs. That's because it's actually, like I said, on my C drive right now. It's not actually on a flash drive, but that will show you how much space is free on your flash drive normally. And this is kind of cool. We've got options. You can change the theme. There we go. Alright, I like that theme. So, as you can see, we've got a thing that says All Portable Apps, and we've got different categories, just like the Windows Start menu. But if we go back here, we've just got a quick list of our portable apps, because we don't actually have more than the list right now. We aren't filled up. But if we click like Notepad++, as you can see, we've got little splash screen that said portable, and now we've got Notepad++. Now if you'll notice, we don't actually have Notepad++ installed on this computer. If this were on a flash drive, then this would be running off the flash drive, and this would still work, like I said, on a flash drive. That's the entire point of doing this. That's how I know that it would still work on a flash drive. I don't have OpenOffice installed. I don't think. Yeah, I do. I've got OpenOffice installed, but this is a different installation. As you can see, OpenOffice.org portable. If I go through here, finish. Alright, so as you can see, like I said, we've got OpenOffice.org writer here, and if I do about OpenOffice.org, maybe not, I don't know. If I open up OpenOffice, trying to see if we can get the portable version. Yeah, so as you can see now, this is the portable version on the right, and the desktop version on the left, and as you can see, they're very, very similar. So yeah, that's pretty cool. We've got, yeah, OpenOffice 4 on the left, which is the Apache version, and then we got the, is this the Sun version? Yeah, this is the, don't think it's Oracle. Don't think it's Oracle, so yeah, we've got version 3 on the right here. So yeah, that's how you can tell that this is a different installation running, and like I said, even if your computer does not have OpenOffice.org installed, you would still be able to run this off of a flash drive. If you put those files on a flash drive, don't have to install anything, plug the flash drive in, the program is available to you. When you unplug the flash drive, it's like nothing ever happened. It leaves no mark on the computer, does not install it on the computer, it's just straight from the flash drive. What's this command prompt portable? That's interesting. So like maybe if your command prompt is blocked, you can use the portable version or something. Just want to look at a few more. We got Skype portable. Oh, another instance of Skype is already running, so yeah, it knows that I've got it on my desktop. But yeah, we've got VLC Media Player portable. As you can see, they've got customized splash screens. I think you can disable those. But yeah, this is basically it. As you can see, you've got different buttons to get to those documents folder, you know, the music folder. But those are all just folders on your flash drive. You can manage your folders however you want, as long as you don't touch these 3 files: start.exe, autorun, if you want to be able to run this automatically on like Windows XP computers, and then portable apps, obviously, for the programs themselves. So yeah, this is pretty self-explanatory. I think I'm going to leave it off there, because yeah, this is, like I said, pretty darn self-explanatory. You can get more apps all the time just by clicking apps. You can check for updates, install a new app, get more apps like by category, and it'll go through the checking for apps thing. That's interesting. Backup files on your portable device. So it will back up your flash drive. If you use this backup utility, I think it will back up your flash drive to your computer, which is really handy to do, because a lot of people forget to do that, and then if you lose your flash drive, then all your stuff's gone. But yeah, if you back it up to your computer, then yeah, it's the exact reverse of when you back up stuff from your computer to a flash drive. So yeah, like I said, pretty self-explanatory. I think you guys understand how that works. If this were on a flash drive, you'd want to click eject to close the program, and then you'd be safe to unplug the flash drive, or if you just want to close the program there. Yeah. Once again, I know this was on a file on my desktop, but yeah, for the last time, guys, you just copy all these files, paste them onto a flash drive, then you would be able to plug that flash drive into any Windows computer, and it would work. So yeah, I hope you guys found that easy to understand, and found that useful and interesting. If you want to talk about that or any other technology topics, feel free to join us over at nerdonthestreet.com. For now, though, that is all. I'm Jacob Kaufman. I'm Nerd on the Street, and I will see you guys later. See ya.